Welcome back to Engineering Graphics class. Today's session we are going to discuss how to solve the isometric problem using isometric sheets. Let us discuss the problem number 44. The question is given like this. A triangular prism of base side 30 mm and length 70 mm is resting on one of its rectangular on the top of a square slab side 70 mm and 25 mm thick. Draw the isometric projection of the combination. Okay, here in this question we have two objects, that is one is a triangular prism and one more object we have the square slab. So first the bottom object is a square slab and the top of that we need to place this the triangular prism. Okay, first we will construct that bottom square slab. The dimension they given 70 and thickness 25. So you can take it any side from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and same way we need to take here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then back to you. So one top face we got it, and the thickness of this square slab they given 25. So from the three corners we have to move 25. 1, 2, and off of that 25. Same here 1 and 2 off of that 25. Then same way 1 and 2 off of the 25. Now join the bottom ends with the line. Now we got the square slab is finished, and on the top of that we have a triangular prism. The triangular prism, the rectangular face is resting on it. When the rectangular face comes, means the dimension of rectangular face will become same. Height 70 they given, width is 30, so it will become 70, 30, 70, 30 it will come, and that we need to construct the first that the rectangular face we need to construct from the midpoint, because it is placed centrally. So from the midpoint we need to divide it. So midpoint getting this means is 75, means 35 is the midpoint. From here 1, 2, 3 and 5 we need to take the midpoint, and then the triangular prism that base is 30. So from here 1.5 we have to move either side. So 0.5 and 1, and from here we need to construct like this 70, and same way from the midpoint again 0.5 and 1. So we need to draw two lines. This is the rectangular base of the triangular prism. That means 30, 70, 30, 70. Now height should be given, because when it placed on the rectangular face, it will looks like that apex will come this side, and the height we can find out by the drawing the triangle with the actual dimension, and we need to get the height. Height we got 25.9, that means almost 26. 26 means 2.5 box we can take it from the midpoint here, 2.5 box here, 1, 2 and half almost, and same way from this midpoint also we need to take 1, 2 and half. Like this we need to draw the apex. After drawing the apex, we need to join the apex with a straight line. We need to join it, and then from the apex to the base we need to draw the lines like this. And then here front one we can draw it, the back one is hidden, no need to draw. If you draw again we need to erase it, that's why no need to draw that. After finishing this we need to erase the hidden sides coming behind of this. We need to erase it like this. We need to erase all the edges coming inside of this. Okay, this is how the problem we need to solve it.